Most people spend their daytime working a 7 to 8 hours job, and at the end of the month, they completely rely on that single paycheck. That is normal, but the real question is what happened after work? Once you close to work from work, what happened? For many people, many individuals, night are seen as realization time, watching TV, spending time with family, or just relaxing after a long day. And there is nothing wrong with that. However, if your current income is barely enough to pay your expenses, or you are seeking to develop something extra, your night can become more than just downtime. They can become opportunity time for you. The truth is, a lot of internet jobs don't require regular hours. You can work at night at your own pace and still be paid. And in this video, I'm breaking down 5 flexible work from home alternative you can start using your night. All these jobs I'm going to be showing to you, no degree required for most of them, and even if you have one, it merely provides you an advantage. So I won't be wasting any of your time. We are diving into it directly. The first one is AI training and data labeling. One of the most undervalued but fast growing potential right now is AI training. Artificial intelligence is improving rapidly, yet it still needs people to function correctly. Companies engage people to uncover data, assess AI reply, and enhance how these systems operate. The intriguing factor is that this area is still young, which means there is no vast rosters of experts. With years of expertise, almost anyone can get started. This makes it one of the most beginner-friendly global opportunity available today. Platform you can use to explore and to check out and start making money from this AI stuff is number one. You can use Sigma AI. Yes, Sigma AI. You can use Prolific AI. I've talked about Prolific AI in one of my videos, in some of in my is one of my video. Yes, I've done that. And another one is Remo Expert or Rest Zone. Yes, you can use it to train AI. Number 2 job you can do is writing and freelance writing. Yes, topic writing and freelance writing. Businesses, websites, and brands are constantly in need of writers for email, blog posts, product description, and more. Even though many individuals neglect it, writing is one of the most continuous internet earning abilities. Depending on your talent level and the sort of client, revenue can range from around $20 to $50 per hour or even more. If you can think clearly and explain concept where this can become a good side income. Yes, and the platform you can use for this remote writing include Upwork. Yes, you can go to Upwork and apply as a writer. Another one is Midrift. I also did a video about Midrift. You can go and check it out on my channel. Yes, you can use it to train AI. This is majorly for AI. Use it to train AI on how AI can write. Another one is Writers Work. Yes, that's on that platform where you can offer your service as a writer. Yes, Writer Work is very beneficial because it connects you to many firms looking for writers in one spot. Once you go to Writers Work, you are going to see many firms, many companies that are looking for writers, and you are going to show your service to them, and they will hire you to start writing for them. Yes, you can also learn writing for free through organizations like Writers Bureau. Yes, which offer beginner-friendly training on getting started and finding clients. So if you don't have any knowledge on how to write, you can go to Writers Bureau and learn how to write. It's free. You are not going to pay anything for it. Number 3 work you can do in the night and make money is market research and paid surveys. Yes, many firms are willing to pay for comments, criticism, and insights regarding their products or services. Yes, this is where market research comes in. Some studies take a few minutes and pay a tiny amount, while others can last 30 to 60 minutes and offer considerable higher amounts based on your profile and your competence. Yes, the opportunity is open globally. Yes, no matter which country you are, you can apply, and it doesn't require complex expertise. As long as you just have knowledge of how to do it, you can apply. It doesn't require you to have one big certificate or that. Yes, you don't have it. You don't require that. Yes, platform you can check for that is user interview. Yes, user interview. You can use it to answer. You can use it to do survey. Another one is respondent. Yes, respondent is on that platform where you can also do survey. And the last one is GLG Insights. That's another platform where you can also do survey. Yes, GLG Insight is especially interesting because individuals from various area can get compensated solely by sharing expertise or experience in their field. So I will advise you to try GLG. Yes, that one is very good. Number four, what you can do in the night is user testing apps and websites. You can test app and websites for developers. Yes, before corporation formally launch app, before any company launch apps, before they launch their website or software, they typically need real users to access them. Like even recently, a brand had to me to help them access their platform. Yes, or even do content, do review about it. Yes, that is where user testing comes in. You just utilize a website or app and make feedback about your experience. Yes, what work, what doesn't, and what may be improved. Yes, it's simple, versatile, and it can be done at night whenever tasks are available. Platform to investigate include, in case you want to start doing user testing, to start testing app, platform you can use for that to get apps to test or whether to test and get paid. Number one is user testing. User testing. Another one is try matter. I think yes, the name is try matter. And third one is testing time. Testing time is another good platform that you can use to test websites, test app, and get paid for it. Another one, which is my best of the best, is content creation. Yes, content creation is one that you can do in the night. It's one of the primary long-term chance available right now. Almost everybody is going to content creation. Yes, many people think it demands full-time devotion, but that is not true. You can start with just 1 hour in the evening. Like me, I'm a student, and most time I do, once I come back from school, before I do my content, or sometimes in the night around 12, I'm running my content. Yes, over time your content might blows on into a business, a brand, or even a full-time income. Just for you to just start. Once you start, you can start making money from it. Yes, there are several ways that you can earn from content creation. Number one, YouTube monetization. Like as you can see on this channel, there are a lot of creators on this channel. They are making money from YouTube monetization. Another one is Facebook content payout for those who on Facebook. There's blogging and website ads. There's affiliate marketing, and there's brand partnership. I've done brand partnership before. It's just for brands, for you to partner with brand, help brand promote their product through content creation. Yes, the key is consistency. Yes, even modest everyday effort pile up over time. Yes, make sure every day, even if it's short, you do just small content can pile up over time. Your night don't have to be wasted time. While leisure is vital, these same hours can also be employed to develop anything that benefits your financial circumstances. Yes, any of these five ideas can start as a side hustle and perhaps boom into something much bigger. If you found value in this, let me know which one you will attempt to start first. Whereas which one will you attempt to start first? In this video that I'll be showing on the screen right now, I'll be sharing even more basic and definitely techniques to make money online with AI. Yes, with AI, just by training AI. So click on that video and I will see you there.